Welcome back to Aloft. Today I'm going to share with you my top 5 fitness YouTube channels to help you get fit or stay active or even begin your journey, especially while working from home. Welcome to Aloft. If you're new here, my name is Dee, and my channel stands for a little of this, a little of that, mainly covering natural hair, beauty, and lifestyle. The reason why I'm a little sweaty today is because we're talking fitness. Since everything has happened from 2020, the gyms have reopened, but I'm more comfortable working out at home. So I decided, why not create a video to share with you guys my top 5 fitness YouTube channels. So let's get started. This list is not in a particular order, like best to worst or favorite to least, but it is grouped together based on what the channels have to offer. Starting with low impact. If you like to walk, but it may be too hot in your area or maybe it's not all that safe to walk outside, try walking with Leslie. She does indoor walking of all distances from 5 to 10 minutes, short walks, to 1 mile, 3 miles, and even 5 miles. She incorporates various moves that include knee lifts, side steps, karaoke, and she mixes it all up to the beat of the music. Sticking with low impact, Mr. and Mrs. Muscle, they created a low impact HIIT series for 30 days for those who love to work out but are not quite ready for the full HIIT workout. This is also great for people who prefer to have a schedule laid out for them instead of having to find different workout sessions each day. This channel also has a beginner series that doesn't involve any type of jumping. It's a true low impact workout. But be advised, Mrs. Muscle on her videos, she doesn't talk. She's all about the workout. When you hit play, be ready to work because she jumps right into it. No warm up at all. For cardio, I'm going to recommend Jump Rope Dudes. Their name says what they are. Their channel is all about jumping rope. They have 5-minute workouts to 40-minute workouts. They even have videos where you can burn 400 calories or even 700 calories. They incorporate squats, jumps, lunges, jumping jacks, and other exercises into their workout routine. I really like their channel, but honestly, they're not the only jump rope workout that I use. I'm going to throw in the Phoenix Movement. It's another channel that I would recommend, especially if you like jumping rope, but you only want the video to be strictly about jumping rope. Whereas Jump Rope Dudes incorporate other exercises, Phoenix Movement is strictly about jumping rope. If you're into weightlifting, especially dumbbell weightlifting, I'm going to recommend Has Fit. They have a ton of workout videos to choose from. They even have prenatal workouts for the expecting mommies that want to stay fit. This husband and wife duo shows you the advanced version as well as the modified version throughout the entire workout, instead of just giving you a preview of the modification at the beginning. Another channel I would recommend for dumbbell workouts is Zeus Fitness. Zeus has a ton of workouts, but the one that I prefer is his Thrive in 25. It's a 4-part dumbbell series that is great for people who like to do isolation type workouts. Like one day you work arms, the next day you work chest, the next day you work legs. That is what his Thrive in 25 4-part dumbbell series is all about. And it also kind of gives you a schedule to follow throughout the week. Now, this wouldn't be a top 5 fitness channel recommendation if I didn't mention full body, all around workout channels. So I'm going to start with Sydney Cummings. She has a ton of playlist options, from 30-day series to isolated body parts to a specific time limit like 30 minutes, 40 minutes, even 10-minute workouts. Sydney does body weight, dumbbell, kickboxing, HIIT, and cardio. I'm sure she has a lot more that I left off, but she has a ton of different options to choose from, and her energy and personality is awesome. And of course, there is another all-around, full-body workout channel, Popsugar. Just like Sydney Cummings, Popsugar has hundreds of workout videos to choose from. They've made upgrades a while back, so you can't really do a series without signing up for their paid program, but they still have so many great workout videos to choose from. They've created a playlist that makes it easy to find the type of workouts that you're looking for, as well as the amount of time that you want to work out. You can't go wrong between either channel, Sydney or Popsugar. They're great options to choose from. And did I mention, all of these workouts are free. Who doesn't like free? I know I personally like free. So what I'm going to do is list all the channels down in the description box with their links so that you can go to them. Let me know if you plan to try any of these workouts, or if you've already done some of these workouts. Let me know your comments down below in the comment section. And hey guys, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Thanks for watching.